Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Sneha. In today's lesson, we will practice English through a shadowing exercise using a clear and neutral accent. For the best results, listen carefully, pause the video after each sentence, and repeat exactly what you hear. Now, let's begin. Today's story is about a man who proved that one person can change nature. Jadhav Payeng is a man from the Indian state of Assam. He is often called the forest man of India because he spent many years planting trees on a barren piece of land. In 1979, when Jadhav Payeng was just a teenager, he noticed that many snakes had died after floods because there were very few trees to protect the land. This sight deeply affected him. Instead of waiting for someone else to solve the problem, he decided to take action himself. He began planting bamboo trees on a small sandbar near the Brahmaputra river. Every day, he watered the plants, protected them from animals, and continued planting more trees. Many people thought his effort would fail, but he never gave up. Days turned into months, months turned into years. Pine continued planting trees for decades. Slowly, the empty land transformed into a large forest covering more than 500 hectares. Today, the forest is home to elephants, deer, monkeys, birds, rabbits, and many other animals. It has become a safe habitat for wildlife and an example of how nature can recover when people care for it. Pine's story teaches us that we do not always need money or power to make a difference. Sometimes patience, hard work, and consistency are enough to create something extraordinary. Many people dream of changing the world, but very few take the first step. Jadhav Payeng reminds us that even one small action repeated every day can lead to incredible results. His life also shows that success does not happen overnight. Great achievements are built through years of dedication, even when no one is watching. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope this shadowing lesson helped you improve your English pronunciation, listening, and fluency. Keep practicing every day, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next lesson on English with Sneha.